Kajing ther juru labba bat kajing tua khandau habon kijaka hakini ki khandiat sngi kala poi hadu uput ba kajula kala sakhi ya Jingshah penjulor ka bashir khai bha la kalong nadu ki yeng kisam ki jingri ki lengkharap bat wat ki man sim bre kila do e ya kajing im habakran ba kila pathai khubor u menteri ketenan disaster management u ba kerman Shylla ule thu ba wala jan baro ki district ki shakta hanrei ka ba khamjur e de ka East Khasi Hills badru karib hoi district.
In these 2 days I have to report with me that we have lost 3 persons life, which caused the family into a very, to say, they are in a very sad situation, and I believe that I would like to give my condolence message to all the bereaved family, that may God be with them and give them strength to fight against this incident what had happened in their family. And from our side, the department and the government as a whole, we are with you no matter what, however possibilities and things can be done from our side. We are ready to help and give a helping hand for all this bereaved family, and then even for those who lost their infrastructure, their land, and so many field, or maybe animals and all, the death of the animals. So we are from the government and department, as per the norms, we are ready to find out the easy way, or maybe to try to speed the paperwork, and also that these people will not suffer a lot when it comes to completion, or maybe to receive their which needs to be given from the government side. So it's really sad to see that in these 2 days, especially the 13th and the 16th, that we lost a few lives. And I believe that, and I would like to urge the people of our state that to be alert when it comes in this monsoon season, because we have witnessed every year, almost every year, that we lost some life. So I believe that if all of us be alert and then try to help each other, especially when there is a need of somebody for our helping hand, I would like to request, don't just wait for the government or the departments or the concerned authority. You be the authority at the time, so that you can give your helping hand, and then the time will come that even we also will try to reach out, because there are times that we cannot reach as early as those persons who are nearby. So I would like to urge everyone that please be kind and be helpful to those who are in need of us. And I have a list out here which we have seen in these 2 days, the 13th and the 16th of May. East Khasi Hills and Meghalaya are the 2 districts which are affected the most. And even in other part of the state, also in different districts, we have seen and we have heard that there are incidents happen. Infrastructure of the government's infrastructure and the private infrastructure has been affected a lot, and the house affected, most of the house has been affected, which I will not be able to mention each and every one by name, but I believe that if required, we can provide this list to our friends from media. And yes, paddy field also has been affected. Lots of paddy field has been affected in this area. So these are the reports of till today, and today's report, which we have heard there are a few incidents happened in our state. We don't have it last 24 hours, but soon we can provide it to our people of the state, so that if maybe if those where we cannot reach, so I would like to request you can please send your reports, or maybe send the details where it had happened, so that we can take the step how to send our helping hand. So we have nothing much to say. It's just that a request to each and everyone. So please be alert and be kind to help each other.